Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today we're talking Lexus and hybrids, which they do very, very well. We've got the CT200 Sport, and it's a hatchback that just keeps on giving. Let's take a look at this one, shall we? The specimen I have comes to you in Onyx and Caliente Red. See? Hot, hot, hot. At 4.3 meters long, she's not huge, and weighing in, this is without me, 1,800 kilograms. So not heavy either, surprisingly so with batteries involved. The F Sport grille with F mesh, LED running lights. Under the bonnet lies a mixture of 1.8 litres of fossil fuel and actually two electric motors that will combined will give you 100 kilowatts of power and a top speed of 230 kilometers per hour, all while doing 4.1 litres per 100 k's. There you go. 17-inch alloys. Behind here is some sports tune suspension, very sporty spoiler, and lots of rear diffuser stuff. Alright, it is a hatchback, but the boot space is surprisingly limited, really. There is some space under here, but all in all, not the hugest of boots. Inside we've got some beautiful Lexus leather, so finished impeccably as you'd expect, and what they call Optitron technology to keep you informed and updated. Perforated leather all over the place. I'm not picking holes. Starting the engine is still very bizarre. A simple case of putting it on and that's it. No roar, no oomph. It's quite disappointing actually. Gear sticks, huge. Again, case of brake and you're away to go. At some point the engine will kick on. There's the 10-inch screen. Quick run along the dash and center console. I do like the way they're finished. Pool. So are we.
Yeah, but not for ourselves.
Okay, so what is it like to drive? Well, to be honest, in eco it's pretty dull. It's saving fuel, saving the planet, but it's like driving with a balaclava on, to be honest. The steering's a little bit distant, the throttle is hard to go for. And yeah, it still handles all right. It's just removed. Push the button, go into the normal. It's better. It drives that little bit better. It's a little bit more responsive. But to be honest, if you're going to go anywhere, Sport is where it's at. Feels the weighting is right, the car moves across the road better, it feels more in touch and actually feels more like a car. Who knew? It's a great little hatch. It's very posh, very nice, very well appointed, very well put together. It's got plenty of leather, plenty of refinements, and you know, you can do you can do a lot with it. I've commuted to work at quite heavy traffic, and that's got me at 5.5 litres per 100, so quite respectable, and it's not going to break the bank once you're starting to fill her up. Look, it's a thumbs up, but with a caveat over, don't drive it in eco. Cheers.